Today we are going to write function rules using tables. Our objective, our learning goal, is we will be able to write an equation for a table. Quick review. A function shows how your variables are related. We commonly call a function rule an equation. So, key question, to determine what the function rule is, we are going to ask ourselves this key question. The question is, what am I doing to x to get to y? The x variable is called the independent variable. This is because we can choose any number we want for x to put into the equation. Its value is not dependent on anything. Now the y variable is called the dependent variable. This is because we have to calculate the value for y. Its value depends on what we choose for x. And again, the key word there was depends on what we choose for x. Now let's practice a few. Let's always remember to ask ourselves, what am I doing to x to get to y? So that's what you want to do. So here's my first table. We have x going from 1 to 4, 2 to 8, 3 to 12, 4 to 16. So I'm noticing that it looks like they're multiplying x by 4. And then you want to see, does that work? If you multiply this by 4, 1 by 4, you get 4. If you times 2 by 4, you get 8. If you times 3 by 4, you get 12. And so on. So when I write my equation, I'm going to write y equals 4 times x. So no matter what value I put in there, if I had a 5 in this table, it would be, y would turn into 20. Okay, so now let's look at the next table. I'm looking at my y, or my x, to get my y. So x is going from 3 to 5. Well, I don't think I can multiply by anything. 5 to 7, 8 to 10, 10 to 12. So I'm noticing that the rule that seems to make the most sense is it looks like that they are adding 2 each time. So down here I'm going to write y equals x plus 2. Let's look at the next one. 1 to negative 1. 2 to 0. 3 to 1. 4 to 2. Okay, so in all of these, if I take my x value and I subtract 2, so that's what it seems like I'm doing, I'm subtracting 2, I will get my y value. So I'm thinking y equals x minus 2. And the last one, we're going from 3 to 6, okay, 3 to negative 6, 4 to negative 8, 5 to negative 10. Okay, so I must be multiplying by a negative number. Okay, and if you think about it, you're multiplying by negative 2. I'm multiplying x by negative 2 to get my y. So when I write my equation, I write y equals negative 2x. Now I suggest you pause the video. Do the 2 you try problems and then unpause the video, and I will put the answers to them for you. Hopefully you had time to do the 2 problems. Here are the correct answers. Again, for the first you try, I noticed 2 was turning into a negative 8, 3 to a negative 12, 4 to a negative 16, and 5 to a negative 20. So they were multiplying their x's by negative 4 to get y. Second table, they're going 2 to 8, 4 to 10, 6 to 12. Now I might have thought, oh, well, 2 times 4 is 8. But then if I try multiplying 4 by 4, I don't get 10. So that's how I knew it wasn't going to be multiplying. And then I noticed it was adding 6. You're now going to try the next sheet that is attached to this, the front and the back, and we will go over these when I return. Good luck.